I have this property your clients are gonna absolutely love. 3 bedrooms up, 2 down, in-law potential, full bathrooms. You gotta bring them here, it's a must-see. You made it, come on in, let's show you around. Right inside the front door, you have this massive living space. Beautiful bay window, lots of natural light. I know the couch looks amazing, but let's go check out the kitchen. Double stainless steel sink, new appliances, and a perfect eat-in nook. Basement down here, but we'll check that out later. You have your main floor laundry, your 3 bedrooms. To your right, you have the primary, bedroom number 2, and bedroom number 3. Right next to the primary, you have your full bath. So here we have the separate entrance to the potential in-law suite. Come on down. Well, come on, let's go. Massive in-law potential down here. This way, we have an additional bedroom or den. Down here, we have an additional bedroom. Down the hall, bathroom, shower, and laundry. Coming out the side entrance from the basement, you have this massive driveway, big enough for 2 cars. Lots of potential here. Don't wait, because you'll miss this one. Ciao.